you take your cantaloupe, you cut it in half. It don't look good at all, but it's still good for seeds and compost. So, all you do, take your hand in there like that. You get all this stuff out of it, the insides out. And all this is compost. Do the same thing to this one. You're going to get your hands dirty, but it's cool. Look at all them seeds. This would be plenty enough for a family. Alright. I left some of them seeds in there. There you go. That way we got plenty of seeds. A whole bunch of seeds. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to separate the seeds from the insides. I'm going to show you how to wash them in a minute. I built this little table, but we're at the screen and we're going to separate our seeds from this. Alright, you take the garden hose, or I do, got that little sprinkler on it. You don't want to get it too fast, about like so. You just take it. You're going to wash the seeds right off on that screen. So, that's all you do. See? See how that stuff's coming off there? All them seeds. And it takes a little time to do this. But when we plant these, when I show you how to plant them, when I teach you how to plant them, these things, they produce a good many a cantaloupe now. Compost. Watch this. I'll take this and wash them seeds right out of that. They just fall right out. That's good. I got that little screen from a second-hand store. I don't remember what it cost or nothing, but it was near nothing. Cantaloupe seeds are the easiest seeds to get out like that. It works for me. See there, and that's just a regular edible size cantaloupe. If you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button below. I'll have many more videos coming up on stuff like this, seed saving. Whatever you're trying to save. This is a series. And then just take your plate and wash the seeds right off your plate. That's all you do, folks. It's so easy, man. Anybody can do this. This is what I'm making the videos for, is from the beginning homesteader to the experienced, you know. Some people don't know about this. But you gotta be careful. You'll blow them seeds right off of that screen. You don't want to do that. Be defeating the purpose. And this is how you wash them. Look at all those seeds, guys. Very simple, easy process. You need to wash these seeds because they'll be all sticky and everything else. It'll be hard to get them apart come planting time. And if you hadn't done so yet, check my video out about, it's all about squash seeds. I have another one that's saving pepper seeds for next year. It's up to you how much you want to wash them. Alright, y'all. Then you just take your plate Put your your cantaloupe seeds on there. Like that. And just spread them out. Then you just let them dry. When they get dry, you put them in a Ziploc bag and you put them with your favorite seed collection.